Cloud IQAC. The concept of Cloud IQAC is basically developed to get ensure the activities of the cloud in the form of the internal quality assurance cell. The main objective of the Cloud IQAC is to provide the central facility to store all the IQAC related data, which includes so many parameters from the different faculties in the universities. It also provides the online access to all the faculty members to update their activity online every day whenever they need, to provide automatic data gathering and analysis system for easy analysis of the IQAC work. It will provide the facility to upload their own research publication by all the faculty members. And after all, this will save paper, energy and time for any university. We'll be going through the entire part of the IQAC. When you are visualizing from the top, you can visualize the centralized web portal. Each faculty is given separate login and reports are generated as per the NAAC and AAA requirement. And centralized event management system is also incorporated in the Cloud IQAC concept. We'll be taking the case study of the research publication, that how a faculty can input the research publication in its own account and how it will get visualized to the centralized data. This is the web page by which any faculty member who is having the login, they can enter their research publication data. This data will be visualized in their personal CV and that will be updated immediately. Faculty view will be created for all the faculties in the university, and by clicking one of them, you can get the full detail of the personal CV of that respective faculty. Similarly, department heads are also given the separate login, and automatically department website can be also monitored by this. They can have the separate announcement display, they can also go for the event management, and even departmental report generation can be done by the need of the university. After entering this data, we can visualize these things in the form of the statistics for presentation for any purpose. The detail of this presentation can be visualized in the form of the table with the segregated manner for the analysis as per the year, counting, spread and other. So in one click you can get all the information whatever is required for a given parameter. Even per faculty contribution in the various activity can be counted and centrally monitored. Similarly, this entire process is done for the different kind of the aspects. The first one already we have seen, that is the research publication. Similarly, the entire system is also managed for research project, where you can get all the information for the research project. Book publication by all the faculty can be also visualized in a similar manner. Paper presented in the different conferences can be monitored centrally. Details of the faculty training can be also gathered together. Invited lectures by the faculty in the extension activity at the various organizations can be also monitored. And research guidance given by individual faculty can be visualized.